bitch. Yes, sir. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. What's going on with y'all? How y'all doing today? I'm about to go to my boy's house. My boy's computer truck actually took a shit and it got towed to my boy's house, so we're about to go over there and just go figure out what's going on. Why is it not starting, man? I'm on the way though. I see them all the way posted all the way down there. I got the homie's house though. Cholita looking clean. About to spray some brake cleaner that bitch, see if it's a fuel pump or not. What you think, cuz? You think it's a fuel pump?
Hopefully, bro.
Hopefully we get something, nigga. Good looking. Appreciate it. Check out my boy's LS3 swap C10 though. Sheesh. You see that gold blade? My boy though, he clean with it. You feel me? Stay tuned for this one. We're gonna have a fire up one day for sure. We try firing up, but we don't want to fire up, so we gotta figure it out. Boys, Sierra though, 6'2".
The next day.
About to get this nigga's bed off. Shout out my nigga for getting the bed out though. Parece un esqueletito ahorita, wey. Sheesh. Finally got that bed off. That bitch is heavy as hell. Okay. 3 peeps though, not bad. Getting pinche Pepe el Toros, you feel me? Yeah, you know. Yeah, we got it off though. You see, you want to
do an interest-free payment plan?
Ooh. Damn, son.
102.
Next mod or what? My nigga about to fire up the C10, the LS3 C10. See if it fires up. Sheesh. Boy. Oh, my nigga got that Walbro, the new TI Automotive, the old Walbro. You see him though? We're finna get replaced. Ah! See what's going on under here. Damn. Cut. Splice. My nigga just splicing shit. My nigga about to get his shit cleaned up so it looks all nice.
Plugs fell off somewhere.
So look at this before. We're about to find out if it for sure is a pump or not.
85 problems, P.
Yeah, 85 problems, P. Vale, no verga.
It's fun in games, but
it's all fun and games until it breaks down, huh?
it takes a shit.
A la verga, pinche lúcida.
Esa madre mira hasta Dios.
Hasta Dios la mira de arriba, ¿no?
Has to be the pump. What?
You would have heard the pump. Oh, we should have heard the pump right now? Yep. Oh, yeah, I told you it's the pump. I knew it. See? Cairo Diagnostic for the win. You're welcome. It'll be 120. I knew it, nigga. So right now the pump.
Shout out to the dailies.
The pump is pretty much wired, so it should fire up.
Let's check it out.
But probably doubt it.
No fuel pump.
No
No sound.
sound. Nope. Fuel pump for surely. Sheesh. Maybe a new wiring harness, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, my nigga's been using them up. Look at that. You didn't just buy these new?
Yeah, I just bought them.
Estás pesado, válidalo. ¿No quema o qué?
Esa mamada.
You can barely see it. Oh no, you can see it now. Sheesh.
You know what? Shout out my boy.
Yeah, I mean. Shout out my boy Juan for helping us out with the bed though. So you're still gonna run the old one, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that Baboso doing?
The other niggas reversing out. I don't know how the
Nigga, you going left, you don't fucking get on that goddamn motherfucking suicide lane, nigga. See, wait, was getting my way. I'm fucking with you, B. Oh, look at that. Who is it? All the Infinities?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not Infinity. What is it?
Damn, they really going shit.
Sheesh, cat gone on that motherfucker. That nigga still out here? If you're from the north, you know, you feel me? He out here still praying or doing what he doing. Feel me? Came through a Raleigh real quick. Get the fuel pump assembly, you heard? Don't hit the curb, please. Shit clean. You feel me? The good old taco from the north. You heard? The only ones that are around here now. All of them got kicked out. See what that motherfucker do. I asked him what it did. Let's see if he does something. Yeah, that's how you reel him in, is recording him. Every time I see a camera, I try, oh, dude. What I tell y'all? We got the fuel pump now. My nigga's about to do the unboxing though.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Mira. Feliz Navidad, amigo. No digas que no te compré nada.
Puro sponsor.
Puro sponsor. Mira.
Shout out to Dickhead at O'Reilly.
You feel me? Getting that custom bucket for the E85. That's the old one, new one. Bam. Sheesh. Where's the pump at? You know what I mean? There's a pump right there. Got it in there how we could. But it's on there. Yes, sir, ski.
The black plastic thing.
Well,
Which plastic?
Thing we fucked up, bro.
Hold this. We fucked up?
Yeah.
Why? We got it all wired up and we didn't even put that on. Oh, nigga.
My God. We gonna have to take this shit off all over again, cuz. Nah, fuck that. Stretch that bitch over that, nigga. Stretch that bitch over that, cuz. It's all done. The final result, you know what I mean? Garage built. Sheesh. That's the old one right there. You know what I mean?
OEM one.
It's the OEM one. Trash. Walbro for the win. Let's get that bitch in there, Dan. Wait.
I'm gonna record you, bro. Wait.
Yeah, but I see you. Thank you, sir.
Fool. All these items are gonna be on fucking fierro.
Mira nomás, chulada de jales pal.
Ah, put the ring.
What ring?
The ring.
Oh, yeah, you gotta put it before we put that on. That makes more sense. Where's the... ¿Tú tienes martillo, vale, o no?
I'll just hit it with my hand. Tap with your hand. With your palm.
What?
Is it like it there?
The next day.
On the way to my boy's house right now for the third day to go finish up the fuel pump. He's gonna clean out the frame and then spray paint it so it looks nice and new, and then we may or may not throw the bed on tonight. We'll see. We'll be on the way though. This low ass driver, bro. What the fuck you doing, my guy? Speed it up, buddy. The waterproof relay though. You know what I mean? We're spraying down the frame right now, getting all cleaned up. Getting ready to put the bed back on. Wire up the fuel pump. You know what I mean? With some bloom and everything. Sheesh. The set side looking clean though. Bussin', boy. Yes, sir, ski. We out here. Trying to get my boy shit done. Just like that, with some Mr. Clean. No pressure wash him. Motherfucker looking new. Like it came out the factory, boy. Yes, sir. Sheesh, my boy still the keys to the 6.2 Denali though. This motherfucker, fucking, what do you call that shit? This shit's peppy as hell. Ooh! Goddamn! Bitch quick. Shout out my boy though. That shit's peppy as hell, nigga. I'm telling you. Shout out my nigga for tossing the whip though, the keys to the whip. Ooh boy, that nollie. Stop playing with him. That's that 6'2". Hitting the frame with some black paint. Make it look new. Sheesh. Already looks better though. Cause look. We haven't hit this, have we?
No.
No, see, that's not hit. That's it right there. Looming up the new wire for the fuel pump. Ooh, boy. That look clean. Clean work on it, you heard? That shit's gonna look good, nigga. That shit gonna look good for sure. What happened, cut? Cut yourself? Oh, boy. Got it all loomed up. Wiring into the front now. Ooh, that shit look nice. We gonna cut him, but yeah. Sheesh. Got the wire right there. Going behind the booster. You know what I mean? That shit look good, bro. Ah, cabrón. ¿Y luego, vale? ¿Tú qué dices, vale? ¿Aquí?
Más ahí, yo.
¿Ahí?
Yo.
Alright. Should be fine now. I think as long as it doesn't get touched, it'll be alright.
You shrink it.
Más. Qué chuladas de
Tape it up first.
Yes, sirski.
Day 2.
Day 3, nigga. Day 3. See no? Cause we took the bed off one day.
Oh, yeah.
Yesterday we did the pump.
Today's the wiring.
Today's wiring.
It's done.
That's what I told you to do it before you put the bolt.
Yeah, you're right. Tenía razón, hermano. Que no chingo le hago caso. Así era. No, pues así tiene razón, hermano. Las pinches chuladas.
¿Qué más digo?
You see them rolling skills coming in handy? Yeah, you can't even see the thing is in there. The back of it. Woo! Boy, that's a fucking clean ass job right there, my man. Stop playing with us. Mira nomás. Y ahora. Sheesh. Finishing up though. Got it all wired up now. Yes, sirski. Fuse right there. That's clean right there, my boys. Chulada, vale.
Espérate, güey.
Date, güey, no me vas a quemar a mi camarada, la verga, güey.
El fuse ni quiere entrar, güey. Está choco.
Well, this fuse don't even go in there. ¿Para qué lo quitabas, pues, vale?
This nigga about to start it.
Mira,
Don't start it yet. Don't start it yet. Está chueco, güey. Don't start it yet, güey. Fierro, fierro.
All right.
Let's start. Let's go.
We're gonna see. It's all wired up.
Ooh, you hear
Oh,
it?
I hear the fuel. Valió verga. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. It's all done. Wired and everything, boy. Stop playing with us. We did that. Yes, sir. It's all done, Pri. No fuel leak, nothing. Fuck it. We're gonna go on the first test ride.
Why am I emergency though?
Damn, you finna clear that? You a bad motherfucker. Sheesh.
Oh, bro, this shit feels weird without the bed, bro.
Feels light as hell, nigga. Huh?
Like,
We on the way, Vale? First test ride. Oh yeah, she back for sure. How she feeling, nigga?
that feels good, bro.
Feels good?
Hell yeah. Nigga, this shit looks like it wants to.
It wants to go, huh? Ooh, it's spin, huh?
Yeah.
feisty, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo! You hear that 6.2 breaking loose, nigga? Fuck. Gets it, nigga. His shit quick. You almost in bed. You got that whole ass no weight back there. This shit looks hella funny with no bed. Alright, y'all. So that is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you guys. I really do appreciate you guys watching the whole video. After pulling up back to my boy's house the next day, my boy had put the bed by himself, and that's pretty much it. They washed it, they cleaned it. It's my boy's driving it again. That's pretty much it, though. That's why I haven't recorded, because I haven't gone over there no more. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's gonna be the end of this video, though. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.